This is a 2009 Acura MDX Tech package. There are 6 cylinders, 3.7 liters. The CARFAX report shows no history of being involved in any accidents or having any damage reported. You can view the CARFAX report by visiting www.onyxautosales.net. It has a towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds. I'll zoom in. You can see the rims and the tread on the tires. The interior is a tan leather. This Acura seats 7. Hold the seat forward. The third row looks like no one ever even sat back there. You can entertain your rear passengers with a DVD player. They also have their own air as well as heated seats. So you can use headphones. That screen right there is your backup camera, navigation. We just need to get a disc for the navigation and it'll work just great. You have heated seats, auto manual. There are no caution or warning lights on. There's your radio controls. You can pair your phone to keep your hands free. And then there's your cruise control. You have seat memory, power locks, power windows. If you're looking for an all-wheel drive vehicle that seats 7, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this out for a drive. I forgot to mention there's also a sunroof. Enjoy a little bit of overcast skies today, but you gotta enjoy it because soon it's gonna be winter. Anyways, come into Onyx Auto Sales, 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah, and take this out for a test drive. Purchase your vehicle from Onyx and you will drive away with a smile and a full tank of gas. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!